All right, guys, today we're going to be reviewing 6.5 coax speakers. See what's in the box. We got a manual. It's telling you everything you need to know, how to install them and how to deal with them. We got housing for the speaker if you want to keep them outside your door. If you don't want to cover him, you got that. And then you got this one that looks like a spider. This one is pretty cool. I wish I could leave them out on my door, so I put this one. I really like this one. It's very well made plastic. So brought 2 cables for the connection. You can see it there. And then some screws, put them in the door or whatever you're gonna put them. And here is the speaker. If you could see, it has a nice pattern in there. It's not cardboard. It's very well made. You could tell it can handle sound really good. It has a raised tweeter for that crisp sound. A big magnet in the back. These are the specs. 1,000 watts max, RMS 250 watts. That's the size, 6.5 inches. Coaxial speaker. That's the brand right there. So easy installation. It should sound really nice. So let's install them and see how they sound. Here's how my speakers sound right now. Let's change them. This is how the new speaker sounds now. Checking the bass.
Basement.
Original ones, they're really bad quality. They're blown out, so my bass was really bad. So really happy that I did the change. It was an easy installation, and I definitely recommend them. They're very nice. They're very cool if you can have it outside your door, because they have like a spider design that it will look really cool, but mine are covered, so definitely can't have that. I wish I could, but definitely recommend it. For the price, they sound amazing. So hopefully I can play the music so you guys can hear it. The Twitter works perfectly, high definition, sounds really nice. So definitely recommend it. So go get yours. Thank you for watching.